Two major issues facing our oceans today are pollution and overfishing. Over the past 40 years, the amount of fish consumed has grown massively, with an average increase of 3.2% per year. This increased consumption has led to marine species decreasing by 39% in that time. The recent Netflix documentary, Seas Piracy, documented the problem of overfishing but also the problem with certifying the fishing standards that exist today. Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface, and with such vast areas, it is very challenging for any authority to effectively regulate overfishing and certification. But new technologies can help us in improving the situation. How can we use blockchain to tackle the issue of overfishing? Blockchain offers a tracking and traceability standard that vastly improves on existing standards. It could provide a global ledger of where and when fish are caught, processed, transported, and sold, offering purchasers and regulators far more insight than currently exists. The fish would be scanned at each point of their journey, thus making illegal fishing practices and trade much harder and allowing much better monitoring of fish stocks by maritime authorities. Another worrying ocean health problem is the gigantic amounts of plastic and other pollution currently being discarded in the ocean. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a floating mass of marine pollution, is now estimated to be 3 times the size of France. Could blockchain technologies help us stop the dumping of plastics into the sea? Blockchain can also be used to trace and track recycled plastic waste, which has ended up forming part of our ocean's problem. Bales of plastic brought for recycling could be traced to ensure they are actually going to recycling facilities and not getting dumped in the oceans. The bales of plastic could be scanned at the initial waste depot, and then followed at each point of its transport journey until it reaches the final recycling factory. Here we saw 2 examples where corruption and fraud in current practices are negatively impacting the health of the ocean. Blockchain can be used to increase transparency and build trust to help improve global ocean health. It would make it harder to continue the current practices of irresponsible overfishing and illegal fish trade. Similarly, it would allow for a much better track and a trace of waste materials and make it harder to continue the practice of dumping waste into the ocean.